Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name Aizam binti Muhammad Anafia and my teammate Elichua Wanfens, Nur Ali Ayuni binti Nasir and Nuraihan binti Ismail. For the seminar logistic presentations, our topic was the effective of smart road tag in Malaysia. For the introductions, vehicle road tag using sticker became significant in daily life of every vehicle in Malaysia, with a small innovation of road tag by using radio frequency identification RFID chips. It can help the police or JPJ to make and inspect the validity of vehicle road tag information with a faster way, and process of renewals of road tag can be more effective, secure and fast. But nowadays, the authority used to observe the date on road tag sticker with plate by manually. It actually take several minutes of every vehicle that passing by the roadblock that made by the police or JPJ. For this situation, we can see that human cannot monitor and handle the situation on the road due to the increasing of transportation system. So with this, chips can record the vehicle usually used, using which road, and identify which area road tag that vehicle owner will be paid to avoid the problem of underpay road tag. So the use of the RFID technology can give clear short identification. With development of the RFID chips, government can deal the vehicle with the security and clear identification of vehicle details. So smart road tag that using RFID great to resolve solution for the various problem. This section point out some of the problem encountered in the research, such as the car need to pay the road tag annually. The vehicle owner need to go to the Road Transport Department Malaysia JPZ once a year in order to renew the road tags. So by the existing the RFID road tag, the owner of the car does not more need to go to JPJ departments to renew the road tag, because it can be renewed on system. So as we can see, the objective of the paper is to protect the identity of the car information and prevents cloning activity, which the use of RFID chips of road tag. The process of renew of road tag will be more effective, secure, and the other objectives become one of the tools that change according the current situation to become more practical and efficient for the future security, technology and transportation. So this paper is intend to identify the effective of radio frequency identification RFID through smart road tag.
Okay, I will continue for the next part, which is about the literature review. Internet of Things, IoT, is one of the networks that used by many people in the world, said Sarabasti and Fong in 2018. According to the Hamid, in 2019, he said that the network that combine all of the gadgets, all of the technologies like the gadget, device and vehicles can be connected using the internet. Moreover, according to Jules in 2006, she said that technology for the automated toward object and people can be able to be applied. In 2010, Hamid said that most of the people are not aware about their vehicle when they are in a public area. So it can be one of the factor that increase the stolen cases of cars. In 1869, the statistic shows that the stolen car has been raised, said Kasim in 2019.
Smart road test is about the development of RFID chip in the road test on the vehicle. RFID will be added on the road test sticker in each car in Malaysia. It means in every vehicle will having their own RFID chip. The design can reduce the stolen car and manage of the traffic when doing the roadblock to the police officer to give the beneficial to the user on how to renew the road test using online platform. The RFID chip will put inside with the road test sticker vehicle and insert with a radio frequency chip. The combination of these two stickers become the smart road test. Meanwhile, the process of receiving the information can be more facilitable for the police when the roadblock is running. The smart road test is affixed to the windscreen of the vehicle linked to the police and JPJ to map and inspecting the validity of vehicle road test information. The road test sticker will auto-pay the road test from the owner account when the road test need to renew. As the vehicle pass through the roadblock, the chip can record the vehicle usually using which road and identify which area road test vehicle need to pay. The smart road test can record in the database with the information like vehicle time expired on road test. The process starts from the vehicle pass through the roadblock. A sensor will detect the smart road test on vehicle and take the record. The database will record in computer, extract the license plate number and calculate the actual road test. The record and the database will deliver via network. The data include recognition outcome from license plate and road test recognition units. The data will store the road test recognition event state, plate number, and road test amount.
Okay, for the result of this innovation, we found that RFID have many advantages if we apply to the smart road tag in the smart road tags, because it can contribute the information of the vehicles at that time. So it can give the benefit to the police who are making the roadblock at the time. They can trace the information at that time with the solid information of the vehicles and the owner of the vehicles. In addition, RFID have a unique to each vehicle in terms of the serial number. So any cases of the stolen car can be avoided because the serial number is not same with other cars. Moreover, smart road tags and that can be applied to all the vehicles in Malaysia can help many resources like the users, police, and more. Not only the user that can trace the vehicles, but the police also can trace the vehicles if any cases of the stolen car happen. Moreover, the smart road tag is able to read both from the data transponder and the system will utilize the data obtained from the transceiver. And the antenna of the RFID can be reached about 915 mHz, so it can be read from distance of the 100 feet or more from that place. This RFID that we apply in the smart road tag is flexible to be applied because the RFID system is easier to manage. I will continue for the discussion and conclusion parts. The discussion from the research on the RFID system that able help in identifying the information by collected data. RFID is an electronic payment system that use unique characters for each vehicle that called as RFID tags and with the radio frequency chips.